tutorial will teach you how to create this artwork. Okay, as you can see, there are 3 chains interlinked together. So in order for us to do this easily, we will be using the shape builder tool. So to start, I will be creating an artboard, and we'll be using the rounded rectangle tool as our shape. Okay, once you created the rounded rectangle tool, okay, you may modify the roundness by clicking one of the dots from the arrow edges. Okay, so like this one. Okay, and now I will be able to duplicate the shapes to create our legs. So there. As you can see, these shapes are strokes. Okay, there are no fills and we only retain the stroke. So we have to create a path out of these strokes by converting it into path. So how are we going to do that? Let's go to Object menu, then click on Expand. We will be able to expand the fill in the stroke, so let us keep it that way. So click OK. So ayan. So as you can see, the strokes are now converted to path. So let me just change the color so we can see the different chains that were converted to path. Okay. So in order, lagyan natin muna ng stroke. Okay, so I will be putting a stroke on this one. So we'll be able to see yung interlinked ng bawat shapes. So there. So what I'll be doing is, we have to select, kunyari, we will be linking green and red. Okay? So kunyari, we'll be overlapping the red part over the green. So instead of doing the Pathfinder options, we'll be using the Shape Builder tool. Okay, the shortcut for the Shape Builder tool is Shift M. Okay, click the Shape Builder tool, and then as you can see, masiselect nyo yung parts ng path kung saan nag-i-intersect ang mga paths natin. So I will use the Shape Builder tool. So, idadaan natin siya dito sa red, sa green, saka dito sa part ng red na ito. So, click, 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 release. Okay? So, makikita nyo, nag-iba lang yung color, but then, nag-link na ang ating mga chains. So, let me change the color into red again. So, this time naman, we'll be doing it with the green. So, I'll select the yellow and the green paths, and then choose the Shape Builder tool again, then drag the Shape Builder tool on this area. As you can see, nag-red. Okay, so we can change the color into green. So there.